What's up, guys? UIB here. I make videos about automation and how to implement AI in your business so you can save time and money. Today, we'll be looking at RSS by Zapier. I'll show you how you can pull information from different sources like CNN, CNBC, Al Jazeera, BBC, and the likes, and then send this information or news to your email like this. Then you get the link, and then you also get the source. So the workflow is we use RSS by Zapier, then we'll get information from multiple sources, and then we format it. We extract the source using Gemini, um, Google's AI provider, and then we send it as an email. So I'm going to jump on my screen to show you how you can actually do that right now. So the first thing you want to do is that you locate your Zapier editor, and then you click on, okay, just a minute. So we are starting from scratch right now. So we have it right here. So you click on create, right? And then the trigger will definitely be the RSS because that is exactly where we pull in the information. The That is the app we use to pull the information, and then we format it using the Gemini, and then we send it as an email to ourselves. You can also send it to your team, or you can even send it to your Slack channel or any of the channels you actually want to use. But I'm using my email because that's exactly what is easily accessible to me. So I'm using RSS by Zapier, and particular event I'm using right here is new item from feed is actually when you're just pulling from just a single field. But I want to pull from our four different fields. I want from CNN, and I want from CNBC, Al Jazeera, BBC. So I'll be given the option to actually put the particular RSS feed link here. So that's exactly where it's a little bit dicey. If you follow the instruction I'm giving you right here, you'll be able to get it. So if you actually want to get right here, you just type CNN RSS feed, and it should bring you to this particular page right here. And what you do is I actually want to pull information about text, so I just click on this particular XML icon right here, and you see this particular link. So just copy this link right in the um, box above, and then you paste it right here. Just paste it right here. So that's the first URL we are using. So we can also put another URL. But the next one is we have done for CNN. We want to pull information from CNBC. Remember, we want tech news. Go to CNBC and make sure we are clicking on tech. So click on it right here. So and to provide us with this particular page, HTML page, and then you see a place where you can copy link right here. I'm trying to find, okay, yeah, this is it right here. So you just copy this particular link, right? Just copy it. I copy everything, right? Just copy everything. Then copy and paste right here. So the next we want to use is I want to pull information from Al Jazeera. So once you get to the Al Jazeera page, make sure you hit on this RSS icon. Then you see this particular I'm sure they didn't actually categorize their RSS feed, so we just want to use any of the feed we get. So we just copy the one, it's right here. Then we paste it right here. right? Then I want to also get news from BBC. So, but BBC is actually quite organized with the RSS feed. So I click on technology to bring me to this particular page right here. So all I need to do is just copy this particular URL, the same year, just copy it and put it right in this particular box, this feed URL. So after I've done this, then we have actually set up all the feed URLs that we need. We've done for Al Jazeera, we've done for BBC, we've done for CNBC and CNN. So we can continue from there and test the step. You should pull out records because these sites are actually sites where we directly post news often. So there will always be something to to talk about. So this is the BBC. This is a particular news. So this is Sky Glass complain about TV. So this is tech news. So what I also want to do is that based on this particular tech news, I also want to get the source. I don't just I don't just want to get news. I want to know where the news is actually coming from. Whether it's because we are getting from four different sources. So I want to know if it is CNBC, BBC, Al Jazeera, or CNN. So what we'll do is that we use an AI, a free AI. Gemini is actually free. Um, so use Gemini. So I use Gemini. So what I'll do right here is the action event will be conversation. I will Then I will create the prompt. The model I'm using is actually the Gemini Pro. It's actually smarter than every other model. And then what I'm going to do is that I want you to extract the um, news source from the URL provided, right? I just so now I'll now provide it with the URL. So I'll put it here. So I'm going to provide you the URL that's going to use. So now, yeah, so I can just put the link here, right? No, that's not the right place. And put the link here. So let me remove this. Yep. So, right. Yeah. News source. Okay. So we are done with that. You just put extract. Yes, we are using this particular memory key so that it can give us consistent results. We don't want it giving us results that are actually very inconsistent. So to test this step right now, it should give us BBC. Can you see BBC News? So that's the stuff. That's exactly what. So what we want to do next is to send it to. We might actually send it to your Slack channel or send it to any of the channels we want. But I want to send it as a Gmail to myself, as more of like a Reader Digest or something like that. So the event is send email. I continue this step right here. I'm going to send it to myself. Okay, and then from name will just be from me. I'll just put the AYB. I can just call it yeah. So then I can the subject is just mm, take let's call it take news digest, right? So I can have it. So this is exactly where I have to organize it. Now, first thing I want to do is I want to organize the title. I also want to organize the link, and then I also want to have the source, right? Right. I want to also have the source. So So this is where I can also insert the particular data I want. So the title right here is this is it. Then the link is right here. Then the source. The source will be from the Gemini step because that's exactly where we modified the source. Like we don't there's no way we can get the source here because they are just it's just links. So we want Gemini to actually extract the particular source, and then now so we have it right here. Sorry. So we want this source to be here. So we have it here. So the next thing I want to do is very easy and chill. So I really don't have any signature here, so I'll just keep this particular step right here. So next thing I want to do is I want to add the mailbox. That will be my inbox. That'll be my inbox right here. I'm just waiting for it to load. Just waiting for it to load right here. So, just waiting for it to load right here. Wait. So I had to reload that page so that it to stop giving us issue right here. So, I had the page to reload, and then so I'm able to come up with this particular. So I can choose the particular mailbox I am using my inbox right here. So if I test this step, so I should get the particular inbox, this particular email in my inbox right now. So I've tested it right now. We can so this is the email I'll get. If I reload this my email, I should get an email including my tech news digest, the title, the link, and the source. That's exactly how it works. If you get any value from this video, just like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.